we are still in September. We're only in the second week of September. We got a few more weeks to go. We do have that big FOMC meeting coming up in about a week, right? Very first rate cut in 4 years. So you go back to 2020, 21, 22, they were all bad Septembers. Keep in mind, Fed Chair Powell was raising rates every single year. Like it seemed like every few months he was raising the Fed fund rate. So that definitely had effect in the last 4 years. Surprisingly, 2023 turned green only because we were so down. So right now we are in the red for September. There's a chance we're going to flip into the green. But here's the thing. What happens in October? Historically, the most bullish month of any year of any cycle, right? And you look at the halving years, specifically the ones marked in black, you'll see in 2020, well, no, let's go back, 2016, starting from October, 15%, 5%, 30%. In 2020, after coming off a bad September, 28%, 43%, 47%. Remember, that compounds on top of each other, right? So in 2020, between October to December, you had more than 100% gain. Bitcoin doubled in 3 months. Can we see the same thing in October to December? Can Bitcoin go from 50-something thousand to 100-something thousand by the end of December? We have seen that before. It's right around the corner. All you have to do is wait and be patient. That's it. Just be patient. Let things play out. Bitcoin never disappoints long term. Short term, yes. Long term, never disappoints. Right? Again, if you're looking at average returns by month, September has not been good. Minus 4.5%. But in the last 14 years, October has resulted in a 29.5%, November 37.9%, December 12.3%. And the remaining months are all green. Only August and September are the ones historically being bad. And as for, topping out, we're nowhere close. We have a lot of charts that have measured Bitcoin's top. And yes, we're nowhere close to top, right? We're not in the blue period. We're nowhere close. Bitcoin mining difficulty is all-time high. So that's good. The network continues to get stronger. The miners continue to bring on more and more machines to support the network and to make money by mining Bitcoin, right? Here's another one that's showing, Bitcoin, again, is nowhere near top. And here's another one that's showing that's nowhere near top. This one's actually measuring stablecoin supply and showing how, this is a bottom for Bitcoin. And we're, again, nowhere near top. Here's another one that's showing that a golden cross is coming. And, again, showing we are going to recover back up. And we're nowhere near top. But short term, of course, what we want to do is get back up to 60,000, 70,000. And then, you know what? The next leg up can bring us to 80, 90, 100,000. Another chart that shows we're nowhere close to top of stock to flow. Even though a lot of people discredited Plan B because the stock to flow model in the last cycle did not hit $100,000. According to stock to flow, Bitcoin should have hit $100,000 in the last cycle. And I actually thought it should have too. But keep in mind, it didn't because, in my opinion, Fed Chair Powell decided to announce that he is going to start raising the Fed fund rate, right? So Bitcoin topped out in November of 2021. It got really hot to 69,000. And then during that month, Powell announced he's going to be raising rates in December. And December turned out to be a pretty bad month, not only for Bitcoin and crypto, but for the entire US markets. That's when it started crashing. So had he not done that and waited one more month until January or February to announce, it was very likely that Bitcoin could have hit 100,000, right? But this time around, let's see if Bitcoin can pull itself back up and get back on track, break through 100,000, head to 200, 300,000 by the end of this cycle, and continue on this path forever. According to this, by 2028, the peak of the next cycle, right? 2025 plus, no, 2029. 2029 should be peak of next cycle, which is only 5 years if you think about it. It's not like 50 years. It's just 5 years. In 5 years, if Bitcoin is on track, it will be at $1 million each, right? That's what this is projecting. In fact, this is projecting that we should hit it a lot sooner than 2029, but we'll see. We'll see. All right. Lastly, that's pretty much it for Bitcoin stuff. Coinbase Wallet website is experiencing issues. In case you guys are wondering, I don't know why you need to go to Coinbase Wallet site. It's an app. Just download the app. Coinbase app. Coinbase Wallet app is different than Coinbase, in case you guys are wondering. So if you are looking for a self-custody wallet on your phone, Coinbase Wallet app is a pretty good one.